Hello cherished viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ka about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kan a show a video a remember to subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like, na wa mia notification bell no. Say the video bia beto a won sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The between say be homemade chocolate. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients ni na eden. Ewo ho ye start. Obedi candy ensu esi gas. Wo de pan abe wo mu besi so. Wo de 100 gram butter ebe tom ekosima ebe nane. For separate bowl, now the 4 tablespoon powder sugar egumu. 4 tablespoon on sweet cocoa powder. 3 tablespoon powder milk. What sieving na so we are dey see in chain. When say butter no anania na we hwe dry mixture na gum ba de begum little at a time. No aka ni na ye den afra. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. And we no anani ede ewie. We are now atry afi ensuo ni so. Now they are kogu with chocolate mode. We are akoshe freezer for 1 hour. And san ya to aso. After 1 hour, no we afi mode no serve. If match send the kan a wo hwe video a, remember we to subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like. Na wa mia notification bell no. Say the video bia beto a won sabeka. Say wakasa we chocolate wo fi a wo betimi e de aye. It tastes really great. You love it if you give it a trial. And it's also easy to make. Now this is our homemade chocolate. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.